Hi, this is Sophie, your French girl from Go Dominican Life. Today we're located just a bit before Cabarete, in front of the beautiful Kite Beach. This is a residential, and I'm going to show you some apartments that we're building. You have 3 complex. One is almost done. They're just finishing the inside. One will be finished, and they're going to be a 3rd one on the right side. Will be a nice pool, nice garden. So I'm going to show you. They're going to be all studio. You have 3 levels. They're all pretty much the same size. They're going to be nice finishing. This is a great location if you want to be close to the beach and if you want to be close to town, but also in a quiet area. Every complex has 6 apartments, 2 on each floor. So they all look a bit like the same. Big studio, all the way open, with the bathroom on the side. This one was beautiful on that one. Then he has his own garden. So you can choose where you want to go. And we're going to have 3 studios with their own garden on the side. Prices start at $99,000. So very great opportunity to find a place near the beach in a gated community for this price. They will be finished around November. Between October and November, then you could receive the key of your apartment. This one has a bit bigger size, and he has a bigger terrace than the one on the ground. So all will be with cabinet, everything be ready with the AC if you want. You're just gonna have to make all nice furniture for you and the design the way you want. And on the 3rd level, you have the last top, then is maybe the size a bit smaller, but a big, big terrace. And if you want, you can buy both of them and make a big apartment on the top. It's going to be window everywhere. Everything is bright and clear. And this is a huge terrace. Very pretty, very quiet. And it's going to be all very nice and ready pretty fast. So if you're looking for a small budget, $99,000 starting the price. If you want more, click the link below, subscribe, share, tell all your friends, and we'll see you soon.